So the other day, we put this one together, went to the nursery, and she bought these three, that one there, and today we're going to put the bird in here to fill in the wall, and we're going to fill this pot in with a big variety of reds and oranges, and also the Blue My Mind is going to add a little pop of blue over there, and I also have a yellow flower to give just a little color at the bottom. Blue and a little yellow here to give it a little color. This is the Martha Stewart made. Just get the man up a bit. And here in the sides. This will fill in nicely rounded, and I want to make sure that the plants you put in have the same watering needs. Let's get a cute Celosia. So cute. Just a little pop of yellow to go with this beautiful pot. And again, just a few. This one's pretty loose. Space here for him. He is going to need more water than the rest of them. And he's probably going to last a few minutes.